Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. It's the last in our mini series of Christmassy or wintry desk tidies, and today we're going to make this super cute kawaii polar bear. He joins the rest of our 6 Christmas or winter crafts, and I think together they look absolutely amazing. Come on, let's take a look and see how he's made. So for our polar bear, you will need a tin can, some white printer paper, craft glue stick, tape, scissors, pen, and if you want some contrasting paper, but you can also do it just in white or use some pens to colour it. So the first thing we want to do, as with all our tin can pen pots, is measure out your paper. Now this one's a bit rusty, this tin pot, but I think it's still okay. Now go to the bottom, give it a good crease so you know where the end is, and a little crease here. Open it up, cut just about 2 millimeters in from your crease. Keep this for other crafts. Here's the other crease up here. Keep this for the ears, so we'll use that in a second. Let's just double check that this fits on my rusty tin. Yeah, I think that's really good. And now we need to decorate it as a polar bear. So we'll need 2 ears. Just going to cut sort of, I don't know what shape this is, a semicircle combined with a rectangle. I'm also going to cut like a muzzle for my polar bear. I'm going to do a different shape this time. Normally I do an oval, but this time I want to do it kind of like a rounded triangle. And I also want to add some blue bits to my ear. Again, you don't have to do that. I just think it makes it just a bit more colourful. I'm going to cut 2 at the same time. So. Look, 1, 2, I think that's good. Take all that away, add your paper pen details. So here I'm going to put a nice Also, I'm going to add the eyes by pen, but of course you can add those in any way you want. You can cut some out. Let's see, should I have some? I'm going to make these. And then you just glue it all together. So, put the mouth on. Now my ears are quite high up, to be honest. I could have moved the face a bit further up. But you know what? This is a 5-minute craft. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think it's really cute and it doesn't matter too much. So if you want to be a perfectionist, do move the face up a little bit. Now you need a little bit of tape. Put it on one end. Get your tin. Line it all up. Get another piece of tape. Move that back. And there you have it. So simple, so cute. And yes, that's the end of our tin can pen pot decorations for Christmas. Each one took less than 5 minutes to make. Super quick, super easy, and so cute. If you like this set of videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.